Brought to you by Agilus Diagnostics.
Agilus Diagnostics.
आपको याद है बचपन में जब हम बिना चप्पल के घूमते थे कितना अच्छा लगता था। लेकिन एज अडल्ट्स क्या ये प्रैक्टिस हमें फायदा देती है या नुकसान? लेट्स फाइंड दैट आउट। The most straightforward benefit to barefoot walking is that in theory, walking barefoot more closely restores our natural walking pattern, also known as our gait. जब आप बिना शूज के चलते हैं, आपके पैरों की मसल्स और लिगामेंट्स नेचुरली स्ट्रेंथन होते हैं। शूज पहनकर हम अपने पैरों को ऑफ्टन रिस्ट्रिक्ट करते हैं, लेकिन नंगे पैर चलने से आपके पैर अपनी पूरी स्ट्रेंथ से काम करते हैं। Other benefits are stronger leg muscles which support the lower back region, जिसकी आपको सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है, because working in 9 to 5 puts you on a risk of non-accidental back injury. Next is reduce stress. Walking barefoot in the grass, dirt or sand may help reduce stress and even inflammation. Having direct skin contact with the earth's surface known as grounding may transmit electrical charges to the body and elicit positive results. सबसे पहले ये समझना ज़रूरी है कि ग्राउंडिंग होता क्या है। सिंपल वर्ड्स में ग्राउंडिंग या अर्थिंग ये प्रोसेस है जिसमें आप अपने बॉडी को डायरेक्टली अर्थ के कांटेक्ट में लाते हैं, यूजुअली बाय वॉकिंग बेयरफुट। ये प्रोसेस पुरानी इंडियन ट्रेडिशन से जुड़ा हुआ है जिसमें हम नेचर के साथ कनेक्शन मेंटेन करते हैं, लेकिन आज साइंस भी ये मान रहा है कि जमीन से डायरेक्ट कांटेक्ट करने से आपको हेल्थ बेनिफिट्स हो सकते हैं। सेकेंड इज इट इम्प्रूव्स स्लीप, प्रिवेंट्स और ट्रीट फटीग। अगर आपको नींद नहीं आ रही, ट्राई वॉकिंग बेयरफुट फॉर अ फ्यू मिनट्स एवरी डे। ग्राउंडिंग से आपकी बॉडी के नेचुरल सर्केडियन रिदम्स रेगुलेट होते हैं जो बेटर स्लीप क्वालिटी में मदद करते हैं। In fact, it reduces inflammation too. रिसर्च के अकॉर्डिंग नेचुरल सर्फेसेस पर चलने से आपकी बॉडी में इन्फ्लेमेशन कम हो सकती है, जो आपको ओवरऑल बेटर हेल्थ देने में मदद कर सकती है। आउटडोर अर्थिंग कई तरह से किया जा सकता है, and there is good news, many of them are free. Walking barefoot, sit or lie down in dirt, grass or sand, sit in a chair and let your bare feet touch the ground. Swim or relax in a natural body of water. Get your hands dirty literally by touching or playing in the soil. The knowledge of walking and exercising barefoot will come with practice and time. However, these tips will definitely help you. Start off slow. You should be patient when beginning to walk and exercise barefoot. Begin with short 15-minute sessions and allow your feet and ankles to adapt to the new environment. Stop if you are experiencing any discomfort or pain. Practice at home or in your garden first before you go straight barefoot. Allow your feet to become used to not wearing shoes. Walk around a safer environment and allow your feet to adjust themselves and become more comfortable being barefoot. But, very recently, Liver Doctor and Zoho CEO engaged in a bitter exchange over the health benefits of grounding. Let me tell you what the controversy is all about. Zoho CEO Sridhar Vembu, 56, shared his personal experience of walking barefoot on his farm for nearly a year, praising it as a simple and cost-free practice with purported health benefits. But Dr. Phillips, who has been targeting prominent figures for spreading what he deems as healthcare misinformation in his latest post, criticized Sridhar Vembu for promoting the benefits of walking barefoot, referring to it as grounding. He dismissed grounding as a pseudo-scientific practice with no credible benefits. He criticized the practice, calling it pseudo-scientific notion with no clinical validation, and accused it of contaminating scientific literature. And the two engaged in a heated argument on the issue. Dr. Phillips, who goes by the name of Liver Talk on X, has been in the controversy for some time now. He has gained recognition for combating medical misinformation. Some time back, he found himself embroiled in a heated exchange with Tollywood actress Samantha Prabhu. His outspoken criticism of traditional medicine has not been without controversy, particularly among practitioners of Ayush medicine who assert that Dr. Phillips' remarks are defamatory. In February 2022, the Ayush Ministry issued a warning to him concerning his critique of the usage of Giloy, a widely popular herbal remedy. Additionally, he received a notice from the Kerala State Medical Council for Indian Systems of Medicine. So, walking barefoot good hai ya bad? Well, it's a choice that you will have to take depending upon the circumstances. With the right precautions, ये practice आपके health के लिए beneficial हो सकती है. What are your views on this? Let us know in the comments below and keep watching Fit Tak.